today's been a really crazy day. So I got my student on the truck. He's at 25 hours, 26 hours now, or something like that. Today we're going to be going from Temple all the way to Corpus Christi, so he's probably going to pick up another 10 hours. Doing really quite well.
Thank you.
You know, there's a few things we're still working on, but, you know, backing he's actually really quite good on. So yeah, that's that. Today I did make a purchase, some electronic stuff. Sorry I don't have any video of that. That was really quite quick. You know, I'm running late today. But, you know, did some purchasing. I got some other deals I'm working on right now. So that's looking pretty good. I need to still work on the garage and get some stuff in there. So the videos of that will be coming up soon. Got my truck registered today. Registration went out, and so I'm going to be using that quite a bit. So got some repair videos that we're going to be doing on that. There's some things that we need to do. It's just a matter of just trying to find time to do all of it, really, is what it's coming down to. Yeah, it's been crazy the last couple weeks. I haven't really been able to make that many videos. Just wanted to do a quick video, quick update type thing. I got some board level components, stuff that we're going to be doing. So you computer IT people that like to watch that, you guys will see some of that. Wheeling, dealing some money, that's going to be coming up too. You know, like there's a purchase I'm looking at doing, buying over $1,000 worth of gear. And then there's a pawn shop that I'm going to start trying to do business with, buying a lot of their stuff. So a lot of things have been going on, short amount of time, but hell, y'all are going for the ride just like I am. And sorry this is bouncing around a little bit. I've been running around trying to get stuff done. So that's going to be the end of this video. Please stay tuned. I'll probably get one going on in the garage and just kind of showing you guys what I picked up. In the next day or so, I don't know. I gotta start going through it myself, so that's why I'll probably bring you guys along and try to figure it out. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. I like that. Anyway, see you guys on the next one.